How many of you have not done practice? Raise your hand. Kiran, why you have not practiced?
Yesterday I have some work, sir. Sir.
Hmm.
Today I will practice.
Yeah, today you do, like, you make sure that every day you do practice at least 2-3 hours minimum. Say 24 hours, you can arrange 2-3 hours, correct?
Okay,
If
sir.
you want job with a good package, how much good technically you will be, that much good package you will get. So you have to cross one level so that, like, all interview you will be able to crack it. So you have to crack it properly. You have to
Okay.
learn properly.
Okay, sir.
Arvind, Arvind, Jenu, Jenu,
Yeah,
you practice Jenu?
yeah,
Okay. Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
you practiced till yesterday class?
No, so only theory I have read. My installation problem not done yet.
Why?
I have some issue with my system.
What is the
Some
issue?
OS corrupted, sir. So it needs to be format. Today is a Sunday, so today will be format.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So you can call online also people, okay?
Okay,
Like
sir.
for the servicing the laptop or whatever it may be, 200-300 rupees, they will take it.
No, the person is coming today as it is Sunday.
Okay, fine. No worries.
Today I will do, sir, installation all the time.
Hmm. So hopefully you don't have any doubt. So if you have any doubt, let me know. Or bank test also in a group also you can post, or bank test you can message directly. I'll tell him to message you personally from the chat. Like he will message. I'm from the technical team. If any doubt will be there, please let me know. So I'll ask him to introduce himself to you. Okay. So what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss DML command, guys. So we are going to discuss DML command. DML stands for data manipulation language. DML stands for data manipulation language. So what are the topics we are going to cover? What is DML? Insert command, update command, delete command. So insert, update, delete are belongs to DML command. Insert, update, delete are belongs to DML command. Okay. So these three topics mainly will be available in a DML command. We are going to learn insert, update, and delete command. Example, a working example of insert, update, and delete command. Working example of insert, update, and delete command, guys. Working example of insert, update, and delete command. Difference between truncate and delete command. Difference between truncate and delete command. Okay, difference between truncate and delete command. Difference between truncate, delete command, and drop assessment, drop command. So these are the important topics what we are going to see in a today's session. So it will not take much time, but we'll see that. Okay. So next one is insert, update, and delete. So what is DML? DML stands for data manipulation language. What is the full form of DML? DML stands for data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. So DML stands for data manipulation language. List of DML command will be insert, update, and delete. The three command will come under DML command. Three command, insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete will come under DML command. DML commands are not auto-committed command, guys. DML commands are not auto-committed command. So what is the meaning of not auto-committed command? Like we have seen DDL command. DDL command was auto-committed command. Correct. So in create table, drop table, truncate table, alter table, whenever like we were running these queries, no, it was saving in database automatically. It used to save the data, things in a database permanently, correct? Using DDL command. When we were using DDL command, it was auto committed. The query, whatever the moment we were running the query, it was like whatever create command also, it was used to save that one. But this DML command is not auto committed. If you want to save this command, then you have to do commit command. Then you have to pass one query more, commit command. If you don't want to save it, if you want to roll back, if you want to get it back status, then you have to do roll back. So I'll show you that what is commit and what is rollback in mid of the things. But today we are going to discuss insert, update, and delete command. So yesterday we have seen some of the part of insert command. Hopefully everyone practice on this. But today we are going to learn more on the insert command. The insert statement is used to insert one or more record in a table. So if you want to insert data in the table, yesterday we have seen how to create table. Yesterday we have seen how to create table. Today we are going to see that how to insert data, how to enter data into the created table. We have created a table. We have added some column. So how to assign data to that table? Today we are going to see. The insert statement used to insert one or more record into a table. So there are two syntax. There are more syntax only, but majorly we'll see two syntax because they will not ask you much question from this insert command. Okay. So, but you should know that how to insert the syntax you should know. So syntax is insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4. So when you have requirement, when you have to enter all the columns, all the columns value you have to enter. In that case, no need to mention the column name anywhere. No need to mention the column name. All columns value you have to declare here. Whatever the columns, consider that 5 columns are there in a table. You have created a table XYZ and there are 5 columns are there. 5 columns are there and you are inserting all 5 columns values. In that case, you don't have to mention the column name. So you can mention value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, value 5. All 5 columns value you can mention here. All 5 column value you can mention here. Okay, so this is how you can insert the data. But if you'll mention column name also, that is fine. It will not throw error. If you'll mention column name also, it will be okay. It will be not a problem. Okay. Next one, next syntax is that when consider that you have created a table with XYZ. You have created a table with XYZ. Okay. You have created a table with XYZ and there are 5 columns are there. There are 5 columns are there. Out of 5 columns, you want to insert only 3 column value. You want to insert only 3 column value. Out of 5 column, you want to insert only 3 column value. In that case, what you have to do, you have to mention whatever the column you are going to enter the value. In that case, you have to enter, you have to write whatever the column you are going to insert the value. Out of 5 column, we want to insert only 3 column value. In that case, you have to mention all 3 columns, guys. In that case, you have to mention all 3 columns value. These are the columns we are going to enter the value. These are the columns we are going to enter the value. So this is the way. And then whatever the value corresponding to this column. If your 3 columns you are mentioning, then 3 values corresponding to this value, like if it's a var_char2, then characters would be there. If it's a number, then numbers would be there. If it's a date, then dates would be there. So corresponding values you have to insert in this one. So this is 2 method to insert the value in the table. This is the 2 method, the way we are going to insert the value. So if you want to insert, if you want to see, yesterday we have created a table person. Okay, this table we have created. Let me see in a database. Okay, guys. So yesterday we have created a table called persons. Select a star from persons. If you'll see here, so how many columns, how many records we have added? 2 records we have added here. 2 records we have added. So today we are going to insert more record into this. Using both the syntax, guys. Using both the syntax, we are going to insert all the record.
Zoom meeting.
Okay, so this is the table we have created yesterday. This is the table we have created yesterday. And today we are going to see, how to insert data when all the columns value we are going to insert. So first syntax is what? We have seen that when we have to insert all the columns values, in that case we are going to use this one. We don't have to mention the column value. Second syntax, when we want to insert limited columns value only, like if out of 5 columns, if you want to insert 3 columns value, then in that case what we are going to do. So same syntax we have mentioned in the database also. Okay, now if you'll see here, this is the way we have inserted this one. So if you'll mention, now if you'll count the columns, guys. Now if you'll count the columns, how many columns we have created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. How many values we are inserting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. 5 values we are inserting to 5 column. So in that case, you don't have to mention the column name. In that case, you don't have to mention the 5 columns. Now you are able to insert one record. Now if you'll see here, select a star from persons. So you'll be able to see that 3 records we have inserted. 2 record yesterday, 1 record today. So like this, you can insert n number of record. Like this one also, if you'll count, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. 5 values are there. And then you can mention the column name also. That is not the column. Okay, you can mention the column name also. Without column name, mentioning without column name also it will work, because you are entering all columns values. So like this, you can insert one more things. So now one more record inserted. So this is the way. So I told you that DML command is not auto committed. That I am going to explain once I'll explain you completely. So you have seen that now the second syntax, what it is saying that now second syntax, what is it is? It is saying that if you want to insert limited column only values, like you have 5 columns and you want to insert 3 columns value, then what you are going to do in that case? So we have to mention the column name. In that case, we have to mention the column name, which column you want to insert the data, which column you want to insert the data, that column name you have to mention, guys. You have to mention the column name in that case. So what you have to mention? First name, last name, country, values, Alia Bhatt, USA. Okay, like this. Now see, first name what you have mentioned, Alia, last name Bhatt, and then country, USA you have mentioned. So like this, you can convert, like how many columns are there here? 5 columns are there. How many record you are inserting? 3 records you are inserting. So in that case, you have to mention whatever the column you want to insert the data. Remaining column will be populated with null values. Remaining column will be populated with null values. So null means what? Null means nothing. Nothing. It's not blank also. It's nothing. Null means nothing is there. Null means nothing is there. So you have to say that. Okay, blank value is different. Blank is still a value. It will contain a space. But null will not take a space also. Null means no values at all. It's a empty container, you can say. Very, very empty container. Okay. So like this, null values will be there. So this is how you are going to insert the data. Any question in this, guys? Anyone?
Jai, can we reverse the order while inserting the data? Instead
No.
of 3 Priyanka and Chopra, I am going to give Chopra, Priyanka, and 3. Like this, can whether it is accepted?
See, the thing is that the moment you will run like if I'll run this query, it will be added in a sixth row. So if you want to insert in between, it will be not possible. Order by only it will be.
I am asking the order of the data will be, I am giving in random order, not in the same order, like PID, first name, last name, it is in the same order, right?
Hmm.
So I am going to give for the instead of a number, I'm going to give the varchar like alphanumeric, and in the number place I'm going to give the alphanumeric, and in the alphanumeric place I'm going to give the number. So at that time, whether it is accepting or not.
If you have mentioned alphanumeric varchar 2, you will be able to enter characters and the number also. If you have mentioned number, then you have to maintain number only. And when you are planning to insert the data like here and there, it will be not possible, because see what will happen, no, if you are inserting like Simon and George is there, so you can do this one interchange. You can do interchange this one, like George first and then Simon next. But the thing is that what you have mentioned, first name and last name, according to this only, my first name is Jayant, my last name is Kumar. But if you'll change the order of the data, like Kumar Jayant, then it will be considered as a Kumar as a first name, Jayant as the last name. So that will
No,
not give you
I'm
correct
asking
data.
in PID column instead of int place I'm giving name, and name place I'm going to give the number, like that.
Like here you want to give number. This first name you want to give the number.
Yes.
So if
So
you
because in the first condition, insert into table name and values we are giving right directly. So without following the order, can we give the data any like instead of giving number, I'm going to give the giant, and after that I'm going to give the number, like that. Is it possible?
no,
That's
the order you have to maintain the same order. You have to maintain the same order only. Then only it will take. Consider that I'm giving here Nick. Okay, starting we give Nick, and here we'll give 02. Something like this. Okay, so it will throw error. See, invalid number. Invalid number. So like this you cannot give, where you have a declared as a number, you have to pass number only. Where here and there it's a fine, it will be considered, because it will be character or alphanumeric, whatever the value you will pass, it will be there. But wherever you have mentioned number, there it will take number only. If you will try to insert where or like a string value, it will not take. Now it's clear. Do practice. These are the whatever question you are asking. The question is like, first of all, it's a difficult to understand, but I thought like these are the possible way you are asking, but order should be proper only. Like the first name, last name, country, whatever the value you want to insert, it should be in a proper way. But if you want to change this value, Alia but you want to write but Alia, then here you have to change the order. Here you have to change the order. Just you have the database. Practice is same thing you can do practice. Okay. Any other doubt, guys?
Ajay,
Yeah, tell me.
my comment is for last sentence. Okay, so I'm not entering the column name. So just I'm entering insert into values. Like I'm giving last name uh, and country. So how it will be entered into the table?
You tell me. You tell me.
I'm not giving the first name, last name, and country. So
You tell me what output you will get in this case.
I
You tell
think
me what is your common sense say?
this will be throw error.
Then it will throw error.
Throw error.
Not enough values. What we have declared, 5 columns we have declared, and we are entering 3 columns only. So as I told you, that first method will work in this case. Either you insert 5-column value or whatever the column you are inserting the value, mention the column name also. Got it, Ramesh?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay. Guys, any other doubt, let me know, or else we'll move to the next one. Roll back and commit command, guys. Roll back and commit command.
Just last a small doubt there, sir.
Tell me.
This one when we are inserting columns now out of 8 columns earlier we have inserted. Now I am trying to insert only 3 columns. Okay. In that based on if we are entering like pin code numbers, this one data row will be displayed in first parameter. It is increasing order it will display, no? Like pin code like 87,
PID.
87 like that.
See how the way you follow the inserting data. Consider first you have entered this data. Second you have entered this data. Third you have entered this data. So it will come 1, 4, 2.
Okay.
Like how it is there, no? 1, 2, 1, 3.
Correct.
It's
It's
not
not in-
arranging.
oh,
If
yeah,
you want to
yeah.
arrange it, then order by clause is there. We'll learn in that next week.
Okay then, thanks.
Okay. Okay, guys. So next one is rollback and commit. So as we know that the DML command is not auto committed. DML command is not auto committed. DML command, if you want to save any of the DML command, when you are running the insert, update, and delete, and if you want to save the changes, whatever the changes you have made, if you have done the changes, if you want to save it, then in that case you have to run commit command, guys. If you want to save the changes, then you have to run commit command. You have to run commit command. Otherwise, it will be not saved. It will be not saved. So now, if you'll do rollback, then whatever the changes you have made, it will be not saved. Yesterday we have inserted 2 data and I have saved it. So up to there, you will be able to see if you'll do the rollback. Whatever the new data we have inserted, this new data, it will go off because if we'll not save it. Now see it. So rollback complete. Now see the data. Only 2 record because yesterday when I closed the laptop, this one database, so it asked me like you want to save it or not. I saved it. So because of that only insert command it is showing it. So if I'll drop the table and then I'll show you the again things. Drop table and persons. So I have dropped the table. So now you don't have this table exist. So this table does not exist. Okay, this table does not exist. So now create command is a DDL command, guys. Create command is a DDL command. Create command is a DDL command. So the moment you will run the create command, it will be auto committed, auto saved. Okay, it will be saved automatically. So table is created and it will be saved permanently. This create command. But when you will come to the insert command, it is not auto committed. It is not auto committed. If you want to save whatever the query you are running it, then you have to do commit command. Then you have to run commit command. And if you are not satisfied with the data, if you want to roll back, if you have not saved, if you want to roll back, then you can do rollback also. You can do the rollback also. So now if you run this one, I'll show you the one insert command. So we have inserted one record. Now see the data. So one record inserted. I have not run commit command here. I am not running commit command here. If I'll do rollback, then what will happen, guys?
Data will go.
Data will?
Data won't save. It will
Okay.
go.
Undo will happen.
Sorry?
Yeah, this
Undo.
action will be undo.
It will like undo only. How you do in a Word and the Excel. Same thing. So if you'll do rollback, whatever the data we have inserted now, it will go up. But we know that create command is auto committed command. It will not be rollback. We cannot do rollback create command. But insert command is rollback. We can do rollback, guys. Now you see. So data is gone because you have not saved. Now again insert and then do commit and then try rollback. So one row inserted. Now again see the value. See one row again I have inserted. Now do the commit command or do the rollback. See the data. It's gone. It will be go off. It will be not available. Now it's gone. So same thing. We'll insert one more time and we'll do the commit and we'll do the rollback. Now one row inserted. Now see the value. One record inserted. Now you do commit. Now what will happen?
Data will be saved.
Data will be saved.
Data.
Data will be saved permanently.
One row
you,
is saved.
now you see.
Rollback also, the data is not going to delete.
Yes, if you will do rollback also, it is not going to do any changes. Now see, rollback complete. Again you see. So it's still there. So whenever you are inserting,
If we do the drop command, if we use the drop command, will data
whole
will
table
be
will be
deleted?
deleted. Whole table
Okay.
will be deleted, including a structure. Table structure with the data will be deleted if you use drop command. Drop truncate is a DDL command. It's an auto committed command, but DML is not auto committed command. If you want to save it, you have to do commit command. Got it? So
Yes,
any
got
of
it.
this, insert, update, delete, any of the query you will write, you have to write commit command to save it. Okay, guys, any doubt in this?
I have one doubt, Jay. Okay.
Yes, tell me.
So when we insert into table 2 times, mean from by 2 different insert statements. Okay. First time when we insert 5 values, the second time with the same insert command, enter the 2 columns. So now by 2 different inserts, we have inserted values in the table. So now if I roll back, so entire 2 rows will be removed, right?
So if you have not saved anything, it will be like now see one record we have inserted Jayant. Now second record I'll insert.
Yes.
Now one row inserted and now you have the second one unsaved data is there. Second row is unsaved, but first row we have saved it. Now
Okay.
if you do the rollback, it will go off.
Okay. Means
One record only will go off.
okay.
Now see one record only go off. Now again if you insert and do the commit, it will be saved permanently.
Okay, if we don't commit, even if you insert n number of rows also, once we roll back, the entire
Yeah,
rows
it
will
will
be
entire rows will go off.
okay. Got it, Jay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the commit command. So we'll insert some of the value and then we'll go for the next. Any question in this in DD commit and rollback? Any doubt? Guys, ask your doubt. If you don't understand, let me know. Satya, you understood? Shiv? Shiv? Tausif?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Trupti?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, commit command not understand.
Okay.
Just tell me.
So please ask if you don't understand, no, please ask. Okay. So if you will not understand, if you will not ask, and then later if you will have doubt, then I'll feel bad. Okay. So ask me if you don't understand. Anyone, if you don't understand, ask. Don't jump, like don't think that people will think bad and all. It's your learning, correct? If you will not learn, you will not get job. So you have to get job. You have to get money. Okay. So for that you have to put effort. So if you'll have any doubt, please let me know. Now you see how many records we have inserted. We have inserted total 6 record. Okay, 6
record.
record. So if we'll do rollback, what will happen? Whatever we have not saved yet, it will go off. It will be not saved and it will be deleted from here. It will be removed from here, this list, which one we have not saved. So I don't know till where we have done the commit command, but if the moment we will do the rollback, it will be whatever we have not saved, it will go off. Now see the value. So we have saved only 2 record. By how we have saved it? By using commit command, we saved 2 record. Okay. So now if you'll insert remaining values, consider that we are inserting again 2 more values. 2 more values. So how many value total, Tripti? We will have 2 more. 2 earlier we were having, 2 now we have inserted the value. How many record? So 4 record we have total.
4 records, sir.
So in that 2 is already saved using commit command. 2 is unsaved. We have not saved it yet. Okay. So for that, if you click on this commit command, this will be also saved. And then the moment you will then roll back also, it will be not deleted. It will be not removed. It will be saved only. Now if you'll do rollback, this 2 record will go off. Now if you'll do the rollback, this 2 record will be eliminated from here. Okay, but if you'll do commit command, this 2 record will be saved. Now see, the 2 record will be saved. So this is your 4 record. Now you do the rollback. You'll not able to remove that last 2 record. Now you see. Can
Yes, sir, got it. Yes,
got
sir.
it now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is your rollback and commit command. So next one, just read this one. Done, guys.
Yes.
So total 6 records are there in our table. Now we have the 6 record in our table. So we have committed all the record. So it's got saved. The moment you will run drop command, in that case only the table will be deleted. Otherwise, if you do rollback, it will be not deleted. So next one we are going to understand what is update command, guys. What is update command? So update command is also a part of your DML command only. Update command is also as a part of your DML command only. DML command only. The SQL update query is used to modify the existing record in a table. You can use the where clause with the update query to update the selected row. Means what? You have inserted the data in the table. You have inserted the data in the table. Now you have a requirement to change the value. Any one of the value you want to change. Now you want to change Priyanka Chopra to Priyanka John, like that. So what you will do? So you will change the value here. You will use update command to change this value. If you want to change India to USA here, India to USA. then what you will do? You have to update using the update command, guys. You have to update this value India to USA using the update command. If you want to change the city, like well, I am in Bangalore, so consider that after 1 month I moved to Mumbai. So I have to change this value. So how will you do? How will we do? We'll update the value using SQL. So this is the null values. If you want to make it Bangalore, so how will we do it? We can use update query. We can use update query. Tushar, don't write on the things. Okay, so this is the way we can use update, and we can update the value, guys. Individual value we can update it using update query. The SQL update query is used to modify the existing record. Existing record is what? We have this existing record, and if you want to modify this any of the value, you can modify it using update query. Okay, so modify the existing record in the table. You can use where condition. To specify which value you want to insert. Okay, consider that you want to insert you want to update this PID is equals to 6. You want to update this PID is equals to 6. So you have to insert, you have to pass the condition also, where first name is equals to Alia or country is equals to null, then update PID is equals to 6. In that case only this value will be updated. Otherwise, what will happen? No, it will update whole column value. If you not mention where condition, then it will update whole column value. Otherwise, all the rows will be affected. Like see, so if you have not declared that what value you want to update, and you are running without where condition, it will consider that whole column value you want to update it with the 6, and whole column will be updated as a 6 only. Okay, but anytime you can do the rollback. So if you have not saved it, if you want to save it permanently, you have to do commit command. So what is the syntax to update the value in the table? Update table name set. Set is the keyword, guys. Update table name. Set. Column 1 is equals to value 1. Column 1 is equals to value 1. Column 2 is equals to value 2. Column 2 is equals to value 2. Column n is equals to value n, where some condition. These two, this update query will take more time. Delete will be within 5 minutes. You will understand that update will take time, because first time you are seeing this update query, so it will take some time. But when you will do practice, it's so easy, very easy. But only thing is that you have to practice it. Okay, so update table name set column 1, column 2, column 3, n number of columns you can mention here. N number of columns you can mention here, guys. N number of columns you can mention here, and you can mention where condition. You can mention where condition, which column value you want to update. Otherwise, what will happen if you will not mention anywhere condition? No, whatever the column you have mentioned in this one, all the value will be affected, guys. You consider that all three columns you have mentioned it. All the three columns you have mentioned it. So if you not mention where condition, which value you want to insert, which value you want to update, what it will do, all the value will be updated with the same value. So we'll see some of the query on that, and then it will be more clear. Okay, I'll explain you again. If you have any confusion in the definition, it will be clear when we'll do the practice. Now see, these are the query are there. So update persons, set country is equals to England, where PID 02. So
Sir,
what
your voice is not here.
Can you hear me, guys? Can you guys confirm?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Who
Yes,
is
sir.
not able to hear me? Tausif,
Yeah, sir.
you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay, update person set country is equals to England, where PID 02. What is the meaning of this? Which value it will update, guys?
On PID for a 2
With the
row,
ID number 2.
country place is going to change as England.
So
No, where equals to England,
PID
in
2
that
row,
it will update as
PID
PID equals to 2.
PID 2 already there. Where condition? it will find where PID02. Where is PID02? This is the PID02. Then it will find where the country. So country is this one.
Second
So
row,
what it will
country
do,
place only it is going to change.
England.
from this one, it will change to India to England. India to England, it will change, guys. India to England, it will change. Okay. So the moment you will run, it will change India to England. This one, see, one row completed. Now see the value. Can you see, guys? Earlier it was India.
India.
Now it's changed to England.
England.
Because we have pass update query set. What you have to set? Country is equals to England. You have to set. So this is the way. If I'll do a rollback, then it will go to the India level. See, again India will show. Got it? So you run it again and do the commit. You will get this one only. Now it's changed to England. Do commit and then check it. So England only. If you will do rollback also, it will not work out.
Number 11.
So now you tell me this is the value. What will happen to this case, guys?
All the city values is going to change Pune for all roads.
So all the city column will be changed to
Pune.
Pune. All the city column set city is equals to Pune. We have not given any where condition. We will not identify like which value we have to update it. But we have mentioned set city is equals to Pune. Means what? What we are giving permission to. Guys, go on mute, please. Kiran. Okay. So now we have given the permission to this query to update all the values to the city to change to Pune, because we have not given anywhere condition. It will not able to filter out which record I have to do, which record I have to change it, which city we have to change it. So the moment we will run it, it will change whole things. Now see, 6 row updated, guys. 6 row updated. Kiran, be on mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see the value. Can you see, guys? Pune. So if you will give the where condition, then only it will give you which value you want to change it, which column you want to change it. Okay, if you will do rollback, that will get the earlier value only. Now you got the earlier value, but without where condition, it will apply on the full column value only. Okay, so this one. Tell me this, what will happen here?
In row number 4, it will change India to
So first name will be
England to India
changed
is
to
going to change,
Pratik.
and first name is going to change as Simon to Pratik.
Roll number 4, first name and country will be changed.
So it's saying that set first name to Pratik.
First name to Pratik and country name to India.
Country name to India. So 2 columns we are going to apply the value. So it's saying that first of all, it is saying that change the first name Simon to Pratik. Okay. And then country from England to India. Okay. For PID 04. Now if you run it, what will happen? Simon and England will change to Pratik and India. Now see, Pratik, India. So this is your update query, guys. It's very easy only. There is no problem. Now Pratik George does not look good. What we'll do? We'll use Pratik Singh. Okay, we'll make it Pratik Singh. So this query, guys.
Last name will be changed as Singh. and country name will be Punjab.
Last name will change.
City name will be Punjab.
City name will be Punjab. So it's now London, but now it will change to Punjab. This London will become Punjab, and then last name George will become Singh. Last name from George it will become Singh. So if you learn it, now you will be able to see it. One row updated. Now see Pratik Singh, India, Punjab. So we have changed Singh and Punjab. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Who did not understand?
Yes,
Raise your
sir.
hand.
Yes.
Raise why the 6 number Alia is not PID having a 6 or null.
We'll see that later.
Sure, sir.
So now very important topic we are going to discuss. Your logical operator, guys. So up to here, any doubt, guys? Anyone?
No, sir.
Jenu, yeah, tell me, Jenu.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
In city in Mumbai, two columns are there. We can change instantly Mumbai to any city.
Like two value you want to change or one single value you want to change?
Single two values in single time.
Two values in a single time. Yeah, fine. So when you will pass where city is Mumbai, it will be changed for those values. Or like you can pass when you will pass like let me show you. Where city is, let's make it where city is equals to okay. You want to change to update person set city is equals to what value you want to change? Hyderabad?
No, I don't want to change any name, first name or country. Only city.
City only we are changing. We are changing city only. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Two row updated. Okay. So like this, Hyderabad got updated. So you have given the where condition. First it will go and it will check where is city is Mumbai. So this and this is city is Mumbai. So it will find out and then it will apply the set city is equals to Hyderabad. First it will find two records are there for city is equals to Mumbai. Then it will go and it will apply the set city is equals to Hyderabad. Clear?
Okay, sir. I have another. I want to add in the 5 rows are there, 5 columns are there. Now I want to add age, 6th one, in the middle of last name country, without affecting previous data. It is possible.
Tell me one thing. Did you attend yesterday class?
Yeah.
Then why you have not asked that time when we were discussing alter command add one? You want me to explain it again? Like I told you that in middle of the things, you cannot add the things, correct? If you'll see the structure, DSC persons, if you'll do like this, well, how many columns we have? We have 5 columns are there. Now, if you want to change, now if you want to add in between first name and last name age, it will not do. If you want to change if you want to add the age column, new column, then you have to use alter and add command to add the new column in here. Age will come in the last, after city it will come. It will not come in between first name. Got it or not?
I got it.
So yesterday also I told same thing, like in middle, like no one asked, but I told like you will not able to enter in middle. If you want any column to be entered, it will come in the last, and that will be performed using alter and add command. Okay, so if you will do practice, no, these are the questions you will not ask. You have done practice yesterday?
Yeah.
Alter command, add command, you have done practice? How many times?
But in my problem is it will affect the previous one.
Which previous one, Jenu?
That age and
Sorry,
okay,
sorry.
liquid. Okay, continue.
No, which one? Which previous one it will affect?
Previous data, that last data.
Why it will affect? See, when you'll add, now if you'll add, what is the syntax of alter command? Alter
table name.
Alter table name. Add.
Column name. Page.
Why it will affect the data? Table employee alter. Now see the data. Why it will affect the data? Tell me which data is affected here. Earlier previous data, which data is affected?
That okay.
One new column added, and then in that you have not inserted any value, so it is populated with null. That's simple. Okay, if you'll do proper practice, like I know, like in the starting of the classes, you will get confused, but this is good question only. This is good question only, and like, but the timing is not correct. You should ask yesterday only this question. Got it, Jenu?
Yeah.
Okay. So ask like yesterday or like in the starting of the class when I told you, no, can you ask the your doubt and all that time you should ask. Like now, if you ask in the middle, now many people will get confused. Okay, so guys, till here, any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, Jayant.
Okay. So now next one, what we are going to understand. Now if you see here, or operator, okay, and operator. Okay, if you'll see here, or and. So this is the logical operator, guys. This is the logical operator, or and. Logical operator, or and is the logical operator. So we have to see that how it works, what are the value it will be updated. For that, we have to understand logical operator, guys. So for that, we have to understand logical operator. So earlier, what I used to do, I used to explain these things like in the first session only, logical operator. Like when we discuss about the data type, no, after that. But people were getting confused. What I have done, I have thought like, let's move to when we'll discuss update command. So it will be practically, you will understand also. Now you'll see here, okay, and logical operator, and a logical operator is there, and or logical operator is there. So when you'll pass two condition, when you are passing two condition, okay, when you are passing two condition, two filter condition, so how it will filter out? What are the changes it will apply, and what are the condition it will be considered true and false? If your value is matching for first value, if it's a true and second value is false, then it will not apply the changes. Then it is not going to do the update query. In AND operator, in only one condition, it will apply the changes. It will do the update command if both the conditions are true. Means what? If both the conditions are true, this is also true, this is also true, and this is also true. If both the conditions are true, then only the update condition will apply. Apart from that, anything else is not going to apply the changes. Now, PID is false. This is true. It is not going to do any changes. If this is true, this is false. It is not going to do any changes. Any update command, it will not going to update it. This is false. This is false. It is not going to do the update command. But if this is true, 05, okay, 5, we have the 05, PID 05 we have, and country is England. Do we have country is England? Country is India. So one condition is true, one condition is false. So it is not going to change it. If I'll make it 02 here, 02 here, okay, then what will happen in this case? PID 02, condition is true, correct?
Condition is true.
And PID, sorry, country England. So do we have country England?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So both the conditions are matching. Both the conditions are true. Both the conditions are true. PID 02 also available in this table and country England also available in this row. So in that case, what will happen? It will apply these changes. It will apply these changes, guys.
Oh,
What it will apply? It will go and it will change the last name.
last name
to
Gupta.
Gupta. And
City name Delhi.
Okay, so this is your AND logical operator. This is your AND logical operator. So what is the meaning of AND logical operator? There will be three types of logical operators, guys. Like others are also there, but we are not going to learn the electronics and communication here. But we are going to learn that what is AND logical operator or logical operator, not logical operator. Okay, so there are three major logical operator, which is nothing but AND logical operator, or logical operator, and not logical operator. So these are the three logical operators are there. If you have done engineering or BC MCA, you will be knowing it. But if you don't know also, try to understand here. It will be based on the two condition, guys. If it will be based on the two condition. So both the conditions will be true. Both the conditions will be true. In that case only, it is going to change the value. Otherwise, it is not going to change the value in any of the case. If it's a true, false also, false, true also, false, false also, it is not going to change any of the value. But if both the conditions are true, both the conditions are satisfying, then only it is going to apply the changes. Otherwise, it is not going to apply the changes. PID 02 we have. Do we have PID 02? Yes, we have. This is true. This is true. This condition is true. Now, do we have country England in this list? Yeah, we have country is equals to England in this row. We have to match the row only. Both the value from the same row only it should be. Country is equals to England. Country is equals to England. PID 02, country is equals to England. Okay, so like this, it will be. Now, it's matching. Both the conditions are true. Both the conditions are true means, both the conditions are true means it is going to apply the changes. So what it will do, last name it will change to Gupta and the city it will change to Delhi. City, where is city? So city is this one. And where is last name? John. So it will change John to Gupta and Hyderabad to Delhi. Clear, guys? Who did not understand AND operator and logical operator? Raise your hand. Who is 882454? I told you last time also. 2 times I told you, correct? Join with your name. Who is 882454? Maintain some, like whatever we are telling you, maintain that. That's what, like, I'll be able to ask the question. You want me to remove if you are not responding? Okay, Gaurav, you got it?
Yes, yes.
Jenu, is it clear, Jenu, now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, let me know if you have any query because you are asking good questions, okay? Okay, Tausif?
Sir, once repeat this and
logical operator. Okay, we'll repeat it, okay? Okay, so we have three types of logical operators will be there, okay? AND operator, and logical operator, or logical operator, not logical operator. So we are learning AND logical operator. In the database, what will happen? No, we can apply this AND logical operator based on this condition only. It will apply the rules, whatever the changes we want to make it. Same thing we are going to discuss in a delete command also. So how this will filter out, how this will be considered that which condition he has to take. So what it will happen? No, it will have four operand. Like when the data first value is true and second value is false, then it will be considered as a false and it is not going to change the value. It is not going to change the value. Second one, true when the first condition is true and the second condition is true. In that case also, it is going to then in that case only in this case only, it is going to apply the changes. It is going to apply the changes. In this case, PID 02, we are able to find it. PID 02, we are able to find it here. It's available in this list. Okay, and country is equals to England also available in this list. So both the condition in one line only we are able to find it. Okay, so what it will do, it will apply the update query. Now if I'll make it here 5, then what will happen, guys? This is false. This is also available here, but in this line we have India here. So this condition will be false. Country should be what? England.
Yes. Will not get update.
This is false. Correct. This condition is false. This is true, but this condition is false. So it will not apply the changes. It will not apply the changes, guys. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So if you run it, it will not update any value. Now see, 0 row updated, 0 row updated. If you'll run this one, 02, if you'll make it 02, means 02 we have this value is satisfying. This is the where condition, guys. We are finding the condition PID 02. And then we are finding second condition. What is the second condition? Country is England. We are able to get the country is equals to England. Then it will find out these two values, 02 and England, and then Delhi. Like whatever the changes, we are going to change it. Last name to John to Gupta. It will change John to Gupta and Delhi to Hyderabad. Sorry, Hyderabad to Delhi it will change. Now you run it and then see the value. So one row updated. Now can you see, guys? So what are the changes we have made? So Gupta and Delhi. It's changed Gupta and Delhi. Now tell me who did not understand? Bhavani? Khadir?
Yes, sir, Ganesh.
See, this is the logical things. It may take time. I'm not saying that it's not taking time. It may take time. From next week onwards, you will be perfectly fine. You will try, you will understand everything. Because this DML command generally it takes time for so many things, so many people. Tosif, you got it, Tosif? You got it, Tosif?
Yes, yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Okay, guys, so consider that if you not understand, or listen the recording again, and we'll move to the next one. Okay. Now you see, OR operator, OR logical operator is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay. OR logical operator is very, very simple. So now if you'll see here, OR logical operator is very simple. What will happen, no? If one condition is true, another condition is true, it will be considered as a true. It will be considered as a true. And wherever it will satisfy, this condition will be satisfied, it will change the value. Okay, whatever the value it is going to satisfy, that it will change the value. If this condition both the condition as true, then it will be considered as a true only. If one condition is false, another is true, then it will be considered as a true only. Okay, so all these three conditions will be considered as a true only in this case. But when both the condition will be false, then it will be considered as a false. Okay, true or false, true, true or true, true, false or true, it will be true only. Okay, so this is the three condition, guys. It's not like a AND operator, whether like true or false, it will return true only. True or true, it will be returned true only. False or true, it will return true only. Means either of the condition will satisfy, it will apply the changes. Now same thing what we are going to see in our query. Remember the things, guys, all three possible way we are going to change the value. Now if you'll see the or logical operator. Or logical operator. This one. Now tell me what are the value it is going to change, guys.
Country, place, India is going to change. That means instead of there also India, here also India. So 0 rows is going to update.
So how many places we have 0, 5? One place.
Only one place.
So it will change to last name Nick to Gupta.
Gupta.
And
City
Hyderabad
to
to
Delhi.
Delhi.
Hyderabad to Delhi.
Okay, for this value, this is true. So if it's a true, then what is this? If it's a, this first condition is true, then also it is going to apply the value. So we'll check the second condition. Second condition, it is saying that country is India. So country is India, we have how many place we have India?
4 place.
So 4 place, it will apply the changes, guys. 4 place, it will apply the changes. So this condition, this country is in India, it will apply 4 place. It will apply 4 place, it will be considered. Okay. So if you run it, how many record it will update?
Sir,
Guys?
I have a doubt here. But we had given the PID as a 05, right? So
This
if we have
condition
given
is,
the 05 means why India, all India, it will take all the table, including, it has to take only one row, right?
it is not AND logical operator, it is OR. OR means this also and this also. Consider
Okay.
where PID 05, anyway it is going to apply the changes in OR logical operator. Because this is true, this is going to apply. Then it will find out, okay, country is India, where is the country is India? So 4 values is a country is India. So there also it will apply changes. Consider
So
that
it will
if I'll
take
make
all the table.
like now you tell me what are the value it will work.
We don't have a PID 15, so it won't take.
It will be false.
It's a null.
Yes,
Yeah, false.
it
It will
is
be
a
not
null.
considered.
Yes.
Okay. Then it will jump to the next query.
Okay.
Next is true.
Oh, okay.
So how many records it will return?
4.
4.
4. So 4 place it will apply the changes.
So Delhi.
So
Delhi
it will make
okay.
Delhi and
Delhi
Gupta.
and Gupta. Okay.
Okay. So if I'll make it 05, now tell me.
In 05 place, it will take as a Gupta, and the countryside, it will take as a Delhi.
Now same
Everywhere.
thing, no? Now India also it's changing 4 places and this also will be considered. So both the conditions are true in this case. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah, got it.
Now if I'll make it 02 then, how many
02.
record? Then how many record it will apply?
Only India will get applied.
Only 3 places. 4
Where's
places.
PID 02?
4 places.
4 places. 4 records it will be.
5 only 4 records.
4 or 5?
5.
5, sir.
5, sir.
It will be changed as the India.
5 records.
5 record?
No. Only 4 records.
No, sir, only 4 records.
Gupta is Gupta.
PID 02 is true.
Okay.
It will apply here also Gupta and Delhi. Correct.
Because it is going to update.
Okay, and then it will jump to the this condition. How many record it will find for this one?
5. Total
Okay.
5 records.
Total 5 record it will apply changes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is what we have the OR logical operator, guys. So if you run it, total 5 record it will be updated. Now see 5 rows updated.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Gupta and then Delhi got changed. Now if I'll make it here Reddy and here we'll make it Hyderabad. And I'll make it this one. Let's make it England. and let's make this one 3. Then guys, how many record it will be updated?
Only one.
One record.
Two.
Two.
Two records.
Two records will be applied.
For this one, how many records?
One record per
For
three.
that one record, and country England one more. So total 2.
Total 2. For this one record, this will apply here. Gupta to Reddy and Delhi to Hyderabad. And for this or condition, country is equals to England. Where is country is England? This one. So here also Gupta to Reddy and Delhi to Hyderabad. Who did not understand? Raise your hand. Jenu?
Yes,
Ask
sir.
your question. Nitin? Pankaja? Let me find out who is not active. Swami?
Yes, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Tushar? Sital?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So simple
Yes,
only.
got it.
Simple only. Like our logical operator, it is saying that any of the conditions will be true, it will apply the changes. It will going to update the value. Any of the conditions are true, it is going to update the changes. So true, false. So whatever true value will be there, it will going to apply those values only, update condition. If both the condition are true, then it's most welcome. It will apply in the most of the condition. Okay. If it's one condition is false, another condition is true, then in that case also, wherever the true condition is there, it is going to apply the update command. So this is what the OR operator. Now not operator is what? Not means like it will make, if you are making not 0 means it will make 1. If it's making not 1 means it will make 0. Not false means true. Not true means it will make false. So this is what it will just navigate it. It will just make it opposite. So this is what the your OR operator and AND operator, guys. Now I want to update the null values. This null values. So what we have to write? What we have to write, guys? Now I want to update this with 6. PID 6. What we have to write?
Update persons.
Update persons.
Set.
Fine. Set, correct.
PID is equal to 6.
PID is equals to 6, correct.
Where
Where
name is
first name.
Where first name equal to Asia. Alia.
Where first name equals to Alia.
Alia.
Country equal to USA. And
Any condition you can give.
Yeah, one is enough, right? One condition is enough.
Yes, one condition is enough. Because PID only one value null, no? If you will have multiple value will be null. Like here also null is there, here also null is there. In that case, you have to give multiple. And if this value also consider that this is null, this is null, this is null. Here also Alia, here also Alia. Then in that case, you have to go for the another condition.
Understood.
First name. If we don't have first name, we have first name like this. One row updated. This is the value. So like this, you have to update it. Now it's got updated to 6. Like this, you have to update it. Now, if I want to change it to null, this value, so how we are going to do it? Or like, let's make it Gupta as a null. Then how you are going to do it? So this is the query for that. You want break, guys? Or shall I complete in 10 minutes?
No, sir, complete.
Okay. So we'll take till 10:40 classes, okay? For 20-minute back. Next week onwards, we'll have 2 hours. And in 2 hours, we'll give you break also. Okay.
Update
Just find my break.
person set.
Yeah. Now see this query, guys. Okay, so if you want to update this Gupta as a null, what we are passing? Last name is equals to null and person ID, PID.
Person ID is equal to
PID.
1.
PID is equals to 1. It will do what? It will update it. So it will update Gupta to
Null.
Okay, so this is the update command, guys. So any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I have doubts.
Tell me.
Sir, previously we have to, I mean, line is 6, sir. We don't mention here null, right?
Which one? This
6.
one.
Alias. Previously it is mentioned as a null, sir. But in query we have to write in 6. It automatically take the number, or we have to.
So where you were when we were discussing this query? You have seen
Yes,
this?
PID is equal to 6, sir. It is updated now. Okay, fine. But previously it has a 6 number is null. But in this PID we don't have 6 number. That is my doubt.
That
You have given the set, right? You have setting the PID 6. So you have given the set condition there. So it will take as a PID 6.
Okay. I mean, previously we have null, sir. That is my doubt. PID is equal to null. Then it is modified. Okay, fine.
We have modified it. See this query.
Okay.
We have changed this null to 6.
Yes.
If you want to change this city to something else, that also you can pass it here. We can manipulate it. That's what we are learning, updating the table, correct? So now city, if you want to change it to, let's Bangalore. Let's make it Bangalore. Or let's make it as New York. Okay. So like this, you can change the name also. Update person, set city is equals to New York, where first name is equals to Alia. So it will find out where is first name of Alia. So Alia is here. So where is the city column? So city is here. So wherever null values are there, it will be updated with New York.
Yeah, okay. I got it.
So one row updated.
Yes.
So next delete command will be very easy because we have worked a lot. This much of time I have not given earlier on any of the batch, but for you it took more time. Okay, now go through this one. We'll finish in 6-7 minutes only. This is very important and very easy only. Same way it will work. How the delete command is there, no? How the update command is there. Same way also it will work.
Class is going.
Guys, whoever is doing practice, share your practice screenshot in the group. WhatsApp group you are added, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt is there, post in the group. See, the people are jumping and they are answering your question, answer and all. And we will also see, Venkatesh also will see, all the people will see. Okay, so wherever you will get stuck, let us know. Okay, let us know, we'll give more time only. Okay, so, but give your time. Maybe sometimes I'll be angry, sometimes I'll be normal. So don't take it as these things. How much I'll be scolding you or how much I'll be angry. that much more you will learn. You will take it as a, like, sir is asking me to do more practice like that. Okay. So don't think in negative way, always be positive. I need a positive person, all positive person. We are going to get it. That's all. Our aim is to get it, get our offer letter. That's all our target is to. How we are practicing, how many hours we are giving, this up to you. Give like anything. Do practice. It's not a rocket science. It's nothing impossible. It's a possible. Everyone is capable of getting offer letter. Just it depends on your this one. What is that? Practice. One person called me yesterday from my previous batch, and he was active only. Sir, I'll do. But like 1 month over, batch is over. Now, yesterday he called me and he is telling that, sir, one person was telling me that backdoor, they were asking 2 lakhs rupees of money and then they will make me enter. I told you, if you have money, if you can invest, but think about it. If it will not work out, then what will happen? You will lose 2 lakhs is not a small amount, correct? Many people, they did not see 2 lakhs rupees in one shot only. So it will be too much loss for you, or it will be big loss. And when whoever is going with the proxy and backdoor support, they will come out in a 1 month only. Many cases are there. In backdoor too, I don't trust only, because backdoor, many people they are coming. They are saying that manager will have all these things combined upward, and in 1 month only, what they will do? They will say that candidate is not performing well, got terminated. So like that also it happens. So don't trust on anything. Learn the full course, crack the interview. You will be able to survive in the industry also. You will be able to survive in the industry also. Otherwise, if you will go in a shortcut method, you will come in a shortcut method only. Okay. In a short term only, short duration only, you will come out. In 1 month only, you will be wasting 1.5, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs of rupees. So take it as a my suggestion. Put the effort, learn the subject. Okay, crack the interview, get your offer letter. It's very, very easy. 4 hours every day, you are going to get it, offer letter. Okay, this delete command, the SQL delete query is used to delete the existing record from the table or the view. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn same way how we can delete the selected row, guys. If you have a requirement to delete only this record, only if you want to delete this row, then what we will do? So we will use delete statement. We will use delete statement. The SQL delete query is used to delete the existing record from a table or the views. The SQL delete query is used to delete the existing record from a table or the views. We can use where clause with a delete query to delete the selected row. If you will not use where clause, no, what will happen? We have seen, no, it was updated to Pune, all the city columns. Same way also, if you will not mention anything, so whole record will be deleted. Each and every record will be deleted, guys. Each and every record will be deleted if you will not mention where condition. So where condition is mandatory. We can use the where clause with the delete query to delete the selected row. Otherwise, all the rows would be deleted. So what is the syntax? Delete from table name where some condition. Where some condition. If you want to delete whole table data, then use without where condition. Then use a delete command without where condition. If you want to delete whole table data, then you will use delete from table name. It will be deleted whole table data in one shot only. Okay. And if you'll use delete from table name, if you have a specific requirement, I want to delete this record only, or I want to delete this record only, then you will pass where PID is equals to 6, where PID is equals to 2, where the country is equals to England, where country is equals to USA. So like that, we can combine n number of conditions using and, on, or operator, guys. We can use rollback command to undo the delete statement changes. We can use rollback command to undo the delete statement changes, rollback. We need to do commit to permanent changes the data. Okay, so we have seen that undo and rollback and commit command. Okay, rollback and commit command. We have seen it, okay, earlier. So we are not going to discuss that. We are going to discuss up to here. So now we are going to delete what? We are going to delete 1 record, 2 record, 3 record, or whole table data also. So for that, we have a query ready. Very easy only, because once you have discussed the update command, it will not take more time in this case, based on my past experience. Now see, which record it will delete, guys?
Third.
Third row.
Third row.
So it will delete for third record?
Third row.
Okay. So it is deleted third record, guys. Third record is gone. If you are if you have done by mistake, you can do rollback also. That is not a problem. Rollback also, it will work here. Okay, so next one. Tell me this one. How many record it will delete, guys?
City column.
Four records.
This is and logical operator.
Unlogic means only
One record.
Only
one
one
condition
record.
should be true.
Only one record.
Only one record.
Yeah,
Only one
delete
record
will be
will delete.
deleted.
So only one record it will be
Both the
deleted.
conditions are true, so only second record.
Guys, don't mute it, too much disturbance. Okay, so now Satya, you check your you are using earphone or what, Satya?
Earphone.
You check your earphone. It's like or like you are putting down the fan, I guess. That's why the sound is coming like that. You don't use earphone. Okay, guys. So now PID 02, PID 02. Okay. So what it is there? PID 02 and city is Delhi. So this both the condition is matching for and logical operator. This condition also matching where PID 02. Where is PID 02? This is here. Okay. Where is city? Delhi. So city Delhi. In and logical operator, both the conditions should be true from the same line only. Then only it will apply the delete command. Otherwise, it will not apply, guys. Now, if I'll make it here as a 6, then guys,
It won't work.
it won't work, correct? Now see the value. So 0 row deleted because this is false. This is true only, but this is not belongs to the same things. Now see, this is newer and this is 6. And we want city as a Delhi here. Then only it will work out. So that's why it is not working. So if you will make it anything else 2, then it will delete this value only. For this will record only whether we have city as a Delhi or not. We have Delhi. So it will delete this record only. Okay, 1 row deleted. Now tell me what about this one?
4.
02. Do we have 02? Let me just run this one. Now you have the latest one. Now tell me what value you'll get. Which logical operator you are using here?
Or so
Then
it
how
will
many
go
records?
till
Three rows will be
Records
deleted.
will be the records will be updated.
will be deleted.
02 we have?
No.
only 3 records it is going to delete.
Only Delhi will
First
be
3
deleted.
records will be deleted.
3 records will be deleted.
So all city is equals to Delhi, where it will find it will be deleted.
Yes.
So 3 row deleted. Now see the value. So only 1 record is pending. So what about this one?
Nothing will delete.
Zero
No data.
rows delete.
Okay. Now if I'll make it country as USA, then
1 record.
1
It will
record. If
get
I'll make it
deleted.
this as a 6, then
1 record.
It will get deleted.
Deleted.
1 record, 1 row deleted. Now see the value. Everything is gone. Easy, guys. Delete is easy compared to update.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So please practice. So what we'll do rollback so that we'll perform without where condition all the table. Okay. Roll back. Now we got all the record back. In this is why, because age is coming, because we have used alter command, guys. Alter is auto committed. It is automatically saved. Okay. Now if we'll run this one, what will happen?
Complete.
All will
Entire table data is going to be delete. So all the rows is going to be delete.
All the records will be deleted.
Now see, to delete whole table data, what is the syntax? Delete from table name. So what you are mentioning here, delete from table name.
Yes.
Whole table data will be deleted, guys. In 6 record deleted. So this is what we have. Okay, guys. So any doubt in this?
Nothing.
Now read this one. We'll finish this one and we'll explain you in the next class or now only. Truncate from the DDL command. Delete from the DML command. Guys, read it. Huh? This today I supposed to call one offer student, but he's traveling to Hyderabad, so he told he'll be not available. Maybe 4 o'clock today, if possible, I'll schedule it. Okay.
Jai, I
Yes,
found
yes.
one more difference. Can you confirm is it valid or not?
Tulsi, yeah.
Yes. The one more difference. If we do the truncate operation, the table, including table structure, is going to delete. But by using delete command, only the data is deleted, but the table structure is not going to delete, right?
Yes, yes, that's true. Table structure will remain same. Here, see, table structure is there, but table data will be deleted. Truncate and delete is having these similarities, guys. Truncate and delete command. Truncate, when we have seen, no, it was deleting only the data. But when you'll see truncate and delete is having these similarities. We'll explain you, don't worry.
Jay, can we roll back the table once we use the delete command?
Yeah. You can roll back.
Okay.
Just now I've shown you, like roll back. If you do
Yeah.
roll back, it will till where you have saved, it will come like
Okay.
this. Now roll back
Okay.
complete. Now see the value. See
Okay.
till where
Yeah.
you have saved. This null and all we have converted, but we have not saved. We have not used commit
Yes.
command. Correct.
Yeah.
So it was not saved. So anything,
Okay.
if you are very sure that you want to delete it, then you have to commit.
Okay.
But like these are the things, whatever DTL and DML command we have learned, in real-time scenario, in ETL testing, We are not going
Okay.
to do this.
Okay.
Nowhere you are going to do this.
Okay.
Why? Because if you will be the tester, you will get only select a statement. You only will have the access to the select statement. You can run your query and you can check the data value. But this
can't use.
create, alter, delete, truncate, drop, update. These are the query. This will you will not have access only. This
Okay.
will either developers or architecture will have the access. You will not have access in your lifelong. You will be not using these queries.
Okay. Jay, so
Yeah.
can after this session, like in next session, can you just let us know, like, can you just show the demo, like what will be the exact working,
What
the
will be the
scenarios, exact working, like the if we will get the job, then what will be the exact life scenarios that we have to work on?
In Informatica, we are going to learn full. So Informatica, what I'm going to teach you, know. So like what are the requirement, how you are going to get the requirement, what are the mapping document you are going to get, how you are going to write the test case, okay, how you are going to write the query, what are the data validations you are going to do, what are the scenario test case you have to write. Okay, and while while doing the validations, what are the steps you have to perform, like taking the snapshot, or like if any mismatch will happen, how will you tackle it? All these things we are going to discuss in the Informatica section. Okay. This is SQL. We are making you strong so that there will write the query complex.
Right?
Yeah, tell
I
me.
have one more doubt. Even if you learn this SQL, it is useful for database testing also, right?
Yeah. So many things, like see the Java developers also, they are using sometimes SQL. SQL is very, very important. Cloud people also, they are using SQL.
Okay.
SQL is very important because you are going to play with the data, no? And data is everywhere.
Yeah, Jay, that Informatica also cloud data based, no?
Sorry.
Informatica also cloud database based, no?
Others also cloud database is there, but that is not trending nowadays. Like many companies, they are going for that new project, but still this tradition only, the interview process will go in this tradition only. That's what I told you, we are going to teach you Python and basic of GCP. Google Cloud will show you like some of the things, explain you so that you can mention in a resume. But nowadays also cloud is not in, like data is not moved completely in a cloud. Still company are making ETL testing project in a cloud, but not all the projects. 90% into normal only, traditional only. Okay, guys. So what is the difference between truncate and delete? No, truncate is a DDL command. We know that it's an auto-committed command. Delete is a DML command. It's a not auto-committed command. Truncate, we cannot do rollback once we perform truncate, but delete we can do rollback. We have seen that. Okay, it deletes all the data at once. So truncate, if you use, what it will do, the moment you have 1 million record in a table and you will mention that truncate table XYZ. So it will, all the record process, it will happen like whole 1 million record will be at a time, it will be processed and it will be deleted soon only, like maybe 10-minute time it will take to truncate the table, but it will be done very fast. But in delete command, what will happen? No, delete command will delete the data row by row. Row by row means what? It will delete first this record, then this record, then this record, then this record, and this record. So delete process is slow because it's a deleting data row by row. Delete command is deleting data row by row. So process is very slow. So that is what data deletion is faster than delete. Data deletion is faster than delete in truncate. Data deletion is slow. Truncate cannot be used. Truncate cannot be used with the where clause. So we have seen that in truncate syntax. we were not using where condition is a truncate. So truncate command will not support where condition, but delete command, we have seen that we were using where condition, correct? We were using where condition. We can use where condition and we can delete selected data only. So truncate table name is the syntax, delete from table name is the syntax, delete from table name where condition. When you will use truncate, table structure will remain same. Whenever you will do truncate table name, truncate table persons. So table structure will remain same. If you will do delete also, table structure will remain same, but data will be deleted, guys. Now see, the table structure remains same, but data is deleted. Table structure is remain same only, but data is deleted. In truncate also it will happen the same thing. This is the similarity. In interview they will ask you what are the similarities in between truncate and delete. You will say that both the things truncate and delete, when we'll use it, the data will be deleted, but table structure will remain same. Now if you'll use truncate table name, what will happen? What will happen? The table data will be deleted, but the structure will remain same. Now see, so you will be able to see the structure. So this is what we have. Guys, this is done with the truncated delete definition. Next class we'll learn what is that? Functions. Sorry, I took 10 minutes more. Okay, because the update command, it went like, you know, too much discussion happened. So that much of discussion we don't do, but as per your convenience, like you have asked so many questions and I was also happy to answer that. So that's fine. So these are the things are there. So next class will be on a Monday. Do practice how much you will be and let me know. And I'll ask Venkatesh to take 1 or 2 doubt clearance session on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay. So like that you will do practice, and if you'll have any doubt, you can ask with him in the class. Okay. And next week onwards, not this week, after next Sunday class onwards, your group discussion will start, guys. Your group discussion will start from this, you know, like 19th onwards. No, 12th. 13 onwards, your group discussion will start. Whatever will complete, will be going to do the group discussion. We'll go slowly only, and group discussion will be very important. And whoever not paid fees, it's a request, clear your fees. Okay, clear your fees. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet next class on Friday morning, 8 to 9:30, and Saturday, Sunday class will be 8:30 to 10:30, like that. Okay. 10:30 or 9 o'clock is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 9 o'clock would be. Okay.
8:30, Jay, please.
Okay, fine. 8:30 only will make it. Okay, guys. Bye. Guys, bye. Okay. Take care. I'm just tired.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Jay.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.